Hello, champions. So we are seeing the control statements. Yes. So let's see the else if ladder. So in the earlier video we've seen the simple if else statement, the syntax, and some sample program. So now let's see the else if ladder. So the actual syntax and how it works, and let's see with the small sample program also. So yes, shall we go? Let's go. Yeah, so this is the syntax of the else if ladder. So yes, let's understand. Okay, so if you see there, so if test expression or if some condition, if the condition is true, we all know it. So by default it will go to the statement 1. By default it will go to statement 1 if the condition is true. Very simple, we all know it, we have been seeing. So if the condition is true, then it will go to the immediate block. But if the condition is false, if it is false, it will skip the true block and go to the else. Else, we have seen if else. If the condition is true, it will go to statement 1. If the condition is false, now it will come to the else block now. And this is the true block now, before. So if it is false, it will check else, it will go to else block, but again I have some condition there. Again, so I have some if statement. So we have multiple ifs here, if and if and if and if, like that. So that's why it is, they form a small sort of ladder. Some ladder is formed. Okay, so that's why they named it like that. So now see here. So it is false at the main condition. Test expression 1, if it is false, it will come to the else. Now we check this condition now. Initially we have checked that. Now we check the next condition, text expression 2 or the second condition. If this is true, we go here, true block. If this is false, again it comes to else block. Again I have statement. Simple but logical, please understand. Now it will check the test expression 3. Again, if it is true, we all know it, we go to the true block. But if it is false, you should check the else there. So there is no else if again. So simply it will come to the else block. Simply it will come to the else here. F. If it is false, it will come to the else block and execute statement 4. See now. So once again, let's review it once and refresh it once. If the test expression 1 is true, execute statement 1. If test expression 1 is false, it will come to else if condition. It checks test expression 2. And if test expression 2 is true, it executes statement 2. If test expression 2 is false, it will go to again some condition which is test expression 3. And if test expression 3 is true, it will execute statement 3. If test expression 3 is false, then it will execute else block. Simply statement 4 is executed, and then the else block, it is having only statement 4. If they have a number of statements, it will execute all the number of statements there and come out of the program. So that is a simple else if ladder concept. It's small, tricky, that's all. Okay, if you can write on your own and understand, you can make it. And let's see with the small program so that you will get the complete clarity now. Okay, here we are seeing small programs because many people have a lot of fear. I'm scared of programming. I don't know programming. I don't know coding. Okay, many people doesn't know coding, and no one is born coders. No one is a born genius. Okay, so if you practice, you will get it. Small thing. That's why I don't make the things complex. So that's why I'll say very small programs. We should learn the basics there. Then slowly you can build your own bigger buildings. Okay. So yes, you need to start with a very good foundation and with a simple one, slowly and with the simple things. Okay. Now see, int marks is equal to 0. So means I'll just put it exactly. See here. So marks 0, it is taken, and let's give some address also 549. So marks variable is taken. Initially, they made it as 0, the first line. And then enter the marks. Now, we are asking the third person, as we need to understand, we are the programmer and we are asking the end user to enter the marks. Let them enter, for example, 89. 89 has entered. Actually, it will not go now. So first of all, the scanner will read this 89. Whatever I have given, enter the marks. So if I see enter the marks there, anyone what they'll do, they'll try to enter some number there. Okay, 89 they have given using the keyboard. Then the scanf reads it. Scanf reads the value which is 89. So it reads the value 89 dynamically given by the end user and then pass it to the address of marks. Address of marks is yes. Now 89 is updated. Percentage D tells that it is integer number. That's all. Now listen now. Some good clauses are there. Good conditions are there. If marks is what? 89. If 89 is greater than 70, yes, it is greater than. You got distinction. So this is true now. Marks is 89 greater than 70. That is true. So it will go to true block. That is printf. So this is the true block. Not else. Okay. So true block is printf. You got distinction. And as it is true, it will not go to any else block there. Simply, it will fit out of the program. It will fit out of the program. It prints, you got distinction and just come out of it. That's all. It's not false, so to go to else block there. Okay. So now, one more thing. So for example, the same program is run once again. For example, let's give the other way. That is 32. I've entered 32 marks. A very poor boy. So scan if it reads and it replaces there. For the same marks, 32 now. The same 549, we got 32 now. Okay. Then, if marks is greater than 70, no, marks is 32. 32 is not greater than 70, so it is false. It will come to here. So marks, again, 32 is greater than 60, no. It is also false. Again, it will come here. Marks is greater than 50, no. False. Marks is greater than 40, no. Then it will come to else block. Printf. If it is 40, I think it is third class, and below that it is fail, I think, but we didn't mention as fail. That word, of course, I don't want to use it. So yes, printf, better luck next time. So you missed this opportunity. So please try. If you try, you can make it. That's my intention. Okay. So yes, 32, better luck next time it prints and just quit out of the program. In the same way, we'll just try with something else. 52. That same 549. Marks 52 now. So if it is 52, the scanf it reads and it places it here. And then marks is greater than 70. No. Why? Because 52 is not greater than 70. And 52 is not greater than 60 also. False. 52 is greater than 50 now. Yes. Something we got here. So then it prints, you got second class. Here you got it as distinction. Here you got it as better luck. Yes, lost the opportunity. And it is like this. So it will, any marks you enter, you will get your result. Simply you will get your grade. That's all. Okay. Using else if later. So let's not waste. Let's execute and check it. So it gives 100% thing now. Okay. So yes. So let's do it now. Yeah, the same program I've typed here. Let's make it with the 3 values what I've given there. Enter the marks 89. Got distinction. Okay, in the same way. Let's enter once again with 32. Better luck next time. And then the last, some second class. Let's enter 54. There we entered 52. Oh, let's enter the same. We got second class. So it prints fast, it prints distinction, it prints second, and it prints third, and it prints the this last condition also. Better luck next time condition also. Exactly basing on the marks. So please understand these concepts and please work it out with different situations, different examples. This is a student. You can try with some other things with the staff with the office, with the marks. We have tried with the marks. We've tried with various examples. Fine. Hope you got the clarity, and see you then, all of you. Bye-bye. All the best.